We're here at 1240 Black Bear Hill in Lake City, Colorado. This home is on 1 acre just outside of town in Riverside subdivision. With 3 beds, 3 baths, and over 2,600 square feet. Let's check it out. As you can see, the builder spent a lot of time with the fine details of this home. Downstairs, we have a full studio with a kitchenette and outside separate entrance. This allows for an opportunity for investment potential. If you have lots of friends and family that like to come visit, this home offers full RV hookups. To find out more information about this house or to set up a showing, contact me, Kelsey Loftus with Crystal Peak Properties at 970-784-6768.